Hello students, today we will make a revision of third and fourth lesson. So I'll try to finish both the lessons in a single video. If it doesn't work, then I'll make a separate video of fourth lesson and we'll discuss only third lesson in this session. And before beginning this session, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. So first of all, we'll see fill in the blanks of third lesson. Fill in the blanks. So first one is Microsoft Word is an dash software. So Microsoft Word is a dash software, and here hints are given. So which word is going to fill, or which word is word will be suitable to fill so in this place. So answer is Microsoft Word is an word processing software. Okay, so answer is word processing. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name dash. Okay, answer is document 1. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name document 1. Next, third question. The dash bar displays the name of the current document and application. Title bar. Okay, answer is title bar. The title bar displays the name of the current document and application. Fourth one, MS Word opens up with two windows on the screen known as dash window and dash window. So answer is, so I hope you know the answer, application window, and one more answer is document window. Or you can say a document window and application, you can interchange that, so it is not going to affect for the answer. MS Word opens up with two windows on the screen known as document window and application window. The dash are divided into groups that contain related commands. The tabs are divided into groups that contain related commands. So these are the fill in the blanks. So next one is true or false. The shortcut key to close the Word application is Ctrl plus F4. Okay, answer is false. The shortcut key to close the Word application is Ctrl plus W. Okay, so correct answer is Ctrl plus W. The quick access toolbar contains the button for saving a document. So this statement is true. Okay, so we have the save button on a quick access toolbar. The application window helps the user to communicate with the MS Word program. So this statement is also again true. The application window helps the user to communicate with the MS Word program. It is true. So next question. The shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl plus P. So answer is true. Okay, so Ctrl P is a shortcut key to print a document. The quick access toolbar is placed below the title bar. So it is false. Okay, so it is above the title bar, not below the title bar. Quick access toolbar is placed above the title bar, so not below the title bar. So that's why. So this statement is false. Next is application based questions are given here. Geeta writes a story in word processor. So Geeta is writing a story in word processor, means she is typing. She wants to see the name of her current document. She wants to see the name what she has given for her file. She wants to see the name of her current document and application. Which part of the window display it? So where that name of the file or name of the application will be displayed? So it will be displayed on title bar. So answer is title bar. The teacher has asked Rahul to save his document without using the file tab. Here now teacher has asked Rahul to save his document, so he should not use the file tab. Without using file tab, he has to save the file. Okay, suggest the way to get this dialog box to save the document. So then how he can save the file without using the file tab? So there are two ways. Without using the file tab, he can save the file. One is he can press Ctrl plus S button to open the save as dialog box, or he can click on the save button on a quick access toolbar. So then also he gets the save dialog box, save as dialog box. Then he can save his file. He need not to go to file tab. Either he can use the shortcut key or he can use quick access toolbar option. So these are the application based questions. So next is multiple choice questions. The dash area is used for typing and editing the text. The working area is used for typing and editing the text. The dash option is used to create a new blank document. The new option, okay, answer is new. The new option is used to create a new blank document. The extension of a saved file in MS Word 2010 is, answer is this, .docx. Okay, answer is .docx. To close the Microsoft Word application, click on the File tab and select the dash option. So click on the File tab and select the Close option. Okay, so Close option, you have to choose to close the Word application. So now this answer the following, you read it yourself, and some more this one points from this lesson, let me tell you. Okay, see, you have to learn all the shortcut keys from this lesson. Shortcut keys means like this: Control C, Control V, Control S, Control N. So what is that all you have to see? So in your lesson, that is all given here. Control O is for open, Control S is for save, then Control N is for new, Control P is for print. Okay, so these are the shortcut keys. So that is given. Just I'll show you. So once you go through that shortcut keys, okay, here it is not there in first page, second page. So second page also we don't have anything, any shortcut keys. So then third page, okay, so third page, creating a new document. To create a new document, you can use Control plus N button. Okay, so Control N you can use to create a new document. You can use Control O button to open a existing file, like our open dialog box. Then use Control plus S button to save the file, and press F12 button to open the save as dialog box. Then comes here, select all. To select all, you can press Control plus A button. Then for cut paste, for cut select, press Control X, and for paste press Control V, and for copying press Control plus C button to copy the text. To save, Control S already we have seen. So these are the copy and paste, Control C and Control V. Then for printing, press Control P button to print a document. Then here, to close the document, press Control W, and to close the entire application, press Alt plus F4 button to exit the Microsoft Word application. So I hope you have understood these points. Thank you for watching.